Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Thursday, September 8th. Going to talk about Bitcoin with the SEC and what exactly is going on with the latest, what they're hinting at. We're going to talk a little bit about GameStop and FTX, as well as some information on mortgages and maybe some less buyer competition in real estate. So, jumping right into the first story, the SEC, Gary Gensler, supports commodities regulator having Bitcoin oversight. No mention of ETH, but they do mention Bitcoin. The former CFTC chief says he could back the giving agency oversight of non-security tokens. Speaking at a press conference on Thursday, he looked forward to working with Congress to give the CFTC added power to the extent the agency needs greater authority to oversee and regulate, quote, non-security tokens and the related intermediaries, end quote. The remarks come amid an intensifying battle among federal agencies and congressional committees that oversee them over who will regulate crypto. So we'll see, getting a little bit warmer, but we're not right there yet. So we'll keep an eye on that. GameStop forms partnership with FTX. This is their official press release. GameStop announced today that it has entered a partnership with FTX US. The partnership is intended to introduce more GameStop customers to the FTX community and its marketplaces for digital assets. In addition to collaborating with FTX on new e-commerce and online marketing initiatives, GameStop will also be carrying FTX gift cards in select stores. GameStop during the term will also be FTX's preferred retail partner in the US, but they did not disclose the financial terms of this partnership. So if you're a GameStop fan or an FTX fan, this is very cool news for someone like yourself. So we will go from there. I use FTX in full disclosure. Coinbase, speaking of a different exchange, they are now bankrolling a lawsuit against the Treasury Department following these Tornado Cash sanctions. So essentially what they're saying is they backed a lawsuit which was filed against the Treasury Department today by 6 users of a recently sanctioned crypto service, Tornado Cash. Treasury Service said the service helped launder billions from the state-sponsored bad actors, but crypto enthusiasts argue that sanctioning crypto code is a overstep and could cause negative ripple effects in the tech industry. Coinbase's chief legal officer told CNBC that it sets a dangerous precedent, meaning, for other companies and essentially these sanctions could be a bad deal just for the future of crypto in general, because it gets really confusing and muddled as to what is what and what's allowable and what's not allowed. So we shall see. But again, bringing in things like this, $30 million seized, right? Chainalysis put this out, right? The Axie Infinity team. Okay. How the cryptocurrency community is making it difficult for North Korean hackers to profit. They're saying at the Axie Infinity, the AxieCon, they deliver some good news with help of law enforcement, leading organizations in the crypto industry. More than $30 million worth of crypto stolen by these North Korean linked hackers has been seized. This marks the first time ever that a cryptocurrency stolen by a North Korean hacking group has been seized, and they're confident it won't be the last. So for what it's worth, at least some of this money is flowing back to the people who it was taken from. And part of this channel is I like to blend crypto and real estate. And here is an example. Milo is a mortgage lender that deals in crypto. They're now offering cash out refis. So if that's something that you are interested in doing and you're a crypto holder, you can borrow 100% of your home's existing value by leveraging your crypto assets. So cash out crypto mortgage. So saying the solution enables borrowers to access US dollars by pledging their assets, their crypto assets, and their property to cash out up to 100% of their property's appraised value. This allows the borrowers to increase their cash flow, pay off existing debt, as well as maximize other investing opportunities. So they give you a little screenshot here. Basically, if you want $1 million loan in that cash out refi, you have to have a crypto value of $1 million, almost an 8% rate for 30 years, interest only for 10 years. And then the closing time is 2 to 3 weeks. But then to the right, they list the benefits because you're keeping your crypto. So you borrow up to $5 million for investment properties. You can borrow up to 100% for maximize your cash out refi. They're calling amazing low rates at 7.95. You are they're held, these assets, your crypto assets, by Gemini and Coinbase. You can get the equity from your home. Obviously, you're trying to cash out refi, and they will accept Bitcoin, ETH, and the stablecoin USDC. So for whatever that's worth, I thought that was an interesting story to share. And finally, here was some actual, just only real estate, nothing to do with crypto. Redfin put out a mortgage rate spiking further is cooling home buying and selling. So the leading indicators they're looking at for the week ending September 8th, the 30-year mortgage rates rose to 5.89%, the highest level since November 2008. Fewer people are searching homes for sale on Google. Searches during the week ending September 3rd were down 25% from the last year. The adjusted Redfin home buyer demand index, basically people looking to go on home tours, was up 18%, but down 11% year over year. Touring activity was down 38% from the start of the year compared to a 3% increase at the same time last year. This is from Showing Time, which a lot of people use, real estate agents will use to book appointments. That way they're not having to deal with calling an agent and all that. You just do it on an app or you call a number and you make an appointment for your client. And then mortgage purchase applications were down 1% week over week, seasonally adjusted, down 23% from a year earlier during the week ending September 2nd. So these are some interesting statistics to look at. As things do cool down, you are seeing price reductions. You're seeing houses stay on the market longer. You're seeing a lot less competition out there. So if you're willing to stomach the mortgage rates and or look into an arm, like I talked a couple of days ago about, then this could be an opportune buying time. If you're a cash buyer, this could be one of the best, you can remember. So whatever that's worth, obviously not financial advice, but as I covered yesterday, a lot of Americans, because of the strong dollar, are moving over to Europe to purchase property because of the weak euro and the strong US dollar. So for whatever that's worth, take it for, don't take it as advice, but take it as, the news. So with that, everybody, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I do crypto real estate to try to break up this channel into half and half. So you get the most important stories, in my opinion, for both, subjects or both, markets each day. And then hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you like this content and, consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and, we can communicate and help me, get you the information that you want to hear about and learn about. And I try to get the most important stories so you don't have to sit there and scroll through them all day. So have a great rest of your day. I will do a live stream tomorrow and I will see you then.